Hey there, Assalamualaikum. Does nobody in your house respect you? And you don't know why not? And you're just thinking, what's going on with life? Trust me, I know. I can tell you why no one respects you. And I'm the middle child, so I can relate here. Respect has a simple formula. Let's get this thing started. Respect has a simple formula. You get respect when you bring some form of value to someone's life, or you bring value to society. You will get respect as soon as you bring some format of value. Now, this value doesn't necessarily always have to mean money. It could also be some form of assets, or it could be emotional value, it could be mental value. Bring some value to someone's life, or to society. And even if you're not bringing to someone's life, but as long as you bring to society, people will respect you. For example, there's athletes who are done a lot and they give a lot of charity. Nothing for me, but we'll give them respect because they've done a lot for society. Right. You are not being respected in your house simply because you're not bringing enough value in the home. And to bring more value in the home, unfortunately, in today's generation, even if you're in a Muslim household, there's only two ways. It's financial, and if you have a good halal household environment, then it's Islamic knowledge. With these two things, you will get the respect in the household. Now, if you don't have either, my friend, you will need to start working hard towards it. It's simple as that. So if you don't have the Islamic knowledge, and if you have a really religious household, money is not the thing. I know this. But then you need to start focusing on getting yourself ilm, bringing some form of da'wah, value to society, and then your respect will also go up in the house, right? But in generic Muslim households in today's generation, unfortunately, we don't take ilm as that serious, but we do take finance as serious. So for you, if you want to get more respect in the house, bring some form of value into the house. I'll tell you how. Okay. Start earning. You were starting earning, right? Start off very respectfully, very dignifiably, and humbly giving your parents some money. Give it to your mom. You're like, Mom, this is just, month has started. I wanted to give you some money just because, I love you and you've done so much for me. Boom. She doesn't need your money. Trust me, no parents need your money. Allah has given them everything, so they brought you here. They've given you everything, right? So they don't need your money. But this is a concept of they realizing that you have grown. You're a man now. And so there's dignifiable. When dignity and dignifiability comes from the parent side, then it also starts coming from the sibling side. Okay, so you start off with this. When you do this and your siblings see that they're not doing it, they'll also start doing it. You know what that does? That's a pattern of good behavior. When they start doing it, and because they learn from you, there's a concept of ustad and student, a concept of teacher and student, and you always dignify your teacher, so their brothers will start respecting you, and your sister will start respecting you. Okay, so that's one start. Then start bringing groceries into the house. Pick up some responsibility in the house. Be like, you know what, Mom? I work. I know the house doesn't need financial thing, but how about this? Every month I bring in all the meat expenditures on me, or all the groceries on me, or I pay X amount of rent. Let me do it because I feel like that's the right thing I should do. I should help out in the house. I should do this. When you start doing this, your dignity in the household will go up. Till you don't bring value to the household will not respect you. Trust me, I said this to a lot of my friends, and now once they have good jobs, they're helping out in the house. They call me back and they said, look, my mom is respecting me a lot more. My parents are respecting me a lot more. My brothers and sisters are respecting me a lot more. They dignify me. They're more lenient with me. If I go like, okay, could you do this? Could you do this? Could you do this? They're more lenient with that concept because like my brothers are like, okay, you know what? He also helps out in the house by giving us, some form of value. So let me, wash his dishes for him or something like that. Bring value to the house and then you will get respect back. Simple as that. And in today's generation, finance, unfortunately, equals value and equals a way of getting yourself some respect, right? Make yourself an excellent thing. Finance will come to you, and then respect will come to you also, inshallah. So start off with things like this, and then you'll just slowly, steadily, as Jordan Peterson says, start taking on responsibilities. And as you start taking on responsibilities, you'll start getting dignified more in the household. Once that happens, there'll be respect more for you. That's how I can save you from not being respected. And when you are being respected, your confidence goes up, your self-respect goes up, you want to do more, and you achieve more. Because you see the fun of being able to take on responsibility and achieving, living up to the responsibilities of others, and or the expectations that others have on you, and then gain that respect. Your father talks so highly of you in front of his friends, blah blah blah. First time in your life, you're an Arab kid. My dad talks good about me. You're a Muslim kid, you're a Pakistani kid, you're an Indian kid. Oh my God, my dad talks good about me. Okay, you know what? And that will bring you a lot of respect and self, and so you start achieving more, you start being more. That's it for guys. If you guys like the video, share this with your friends, your cousins, the girl that rejected you, all of them. Send it to everybody, and then even the auntie that makes fun of you, send it to her also, because tell her, look, I'm making a change in my life. Anywho, share, like, subscribe. Check out my other social media, and guys, keep motivating me, keep liking. Come on, we need to grow this channel together. The more I get motivated, the better the quality that I bring out for you guys, inshallah. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Do subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam.